Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and do you need a spa day? Because honestly, I know that I do. And I would probably live at the spa if I could, but for obvious reasons, that's not possible. So, to help me to capture some of that spa feeling, I now have this Autumn Rain Essential Oil Diffuser lamp.
This diffuser has this transparent outer wall that's filled with pink Himalayan salts. Now, I think that this gives this lamp such an interesting look, and it really helps to give off more of those spa vibes that I'm looking for. To use the diffuser function, I simply remove the outer wall, and inside there's a lid on the main water receptacle. I remove the lid and I fill it with water, taking care not to go beyond the max line indicator. I drop in a few drops of my favorite essential oil and replace the lid. It has a feature to choose a 3-hour timer function or a 6-hour timer function, but I usually just let the unit run until the water runs out. It will automatically shut off when the water is gone, so I don't even need to worry about it. I absolutely love the lamp function on this diffuser. I can use the lamp and just set it to a single color, or this also has the feature that it will cycle through all the different colors. I like to use the cycle feature because I find it really relaxing in the evening time to watch the colors cycle through, and I feel like it really contributes to this relaxing atmosphere in my home.
Even though I'm not going to be able to accomplish my dream of living at the spa, this Autumn Rain diffuser lamp has helped me to come just a little bit closer. And that's my point of view.